Hey everybody, so yeah, the first thing I'm filming this morning, just got up and did everything around the farm and stuff this morning and then came out. I'm actually home right now. You may recognize my couch in my picture. And my Jamie's over there, but I'm not gonna show her. Yeah, so I'm here and we just had a couple things we wanted to do today as well as spend a little bit of time together. So we're doing that. I have to actually leave now though and walk up to Archie's place. So it's Saturday, so I'll be walking Archie today at noon for an hour. And then just as I was getting ready to drive out here this morning around 8:30, I got a text from the human who has Alo, the other dog that I've walked previously and shown here. Kind of the like husky Australian mix, something else in there, I forget. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go and walk her at 3. So a lot of running around today, but waking up on a farm, walking 2 dogs, heading back to the farm tonight. I get to be around a lot of animals and that is awesome. But anyway, I gotta go. I'm gonna walk Archie now and I think we'll probably take the trail. We'll see how it is. I think the trail should be fun. Archie was a very good boy. He just had a guy walk past with his off-leash dog. And you know what? This guy was utterly uninterested. Just did not care. Come on, let's go. Anyway, just almost done our walk here. A little over halfway. And won't spam you with too much of this because we've walked with Archie plenty in the last little while. But catch up in a bit. Okay, so I just showed up at Alo's house. We're out for a little walk, just leaving the driveway now. And we're gonna go for an hour today. A little bit icy here. I'm gonna make sure I don't fall. Should have worn my trail shoes. She was a little barky at the door, but it's all right. I mean, we haven't seen each other in a couple months, so it makes sense. Isn't that right, baby? Thought she was happy to get her leash on, her collar, or harness rather. Hi. Hello. Hi. Let's go. the farm. Everything's taken care of. I've got a little buddy here with me. We're just chilling on the chair. I'm gonna make myself a chickpea salad sandwich. Brought some chickpea salad with me when I came the other night. So I'm gonna eat that up and just have a nice, easy, relaxed evening. Busy day. Where you going? Busy day out walking 2 dogs for an hour each. Lots of driving because I'm about a half an hour away from town, and then it's like 15 minutes in the continuing direction to get out to walk Alo. So then it was like 45-minute drive back home, or back here to the farm after that. So yeah, just lots of driving around, lots of taking care of animals today, which is basically my life. So yeah, just gonna chill the rest of the evening, take it easy, and just enjoy the cozy vibes of the farmhouse and the wood fire. What do you think, Finn? Is that a good night? Is that a good plan for the night? Yeah, he's crashed. Good night, folks. Hi. Moby. Hello. Hello, Moby. Hi, buddy. Hi. It's okay. Hi. What you doing? You just sitting there. Huh? Is that some good chickpea salad? Was it good? You've got some on your beak. Look. You've got some on your beak. You're very cute. Huckleberry. Oh, that's Rufus. Rufus, you bad boy. It's okay, Moby. You're on your pole. Yeah. How you doing? What are those cats doing, huh? It's okay. You're very cute. So you're very cute. You know that? Okay, I'll put you back in now, okay?